Entering Red Bull Flutag was really good for teamwork.
It was fantastic, really. It was great to work together with the team.
It's been good fun.
Unique experience. We had a lot of fun. We got wet. Some of us got wet.
Yeah, I was really keen when I heard about it. I thought, I'm into aviation, and I thought, well, that'll be really cool to do something like that. You know, we all had to do different jobs. We all had to pull together and you know, pull our knowledge and our skills, working hard out of hours.
A lot of Red Bull was drunk.
I wanted to do something that would fly really well, so like a serious entry, but in order to be picked, we knew we needed a novelty aspect to it. So we brainstormed some ideas around birds and so on, and it was quite a natural choice to choose a gannet because that's where we're from, there's local gannet colonies. So yeah, the combination of really graceful flight and then dive bombing into the water was perfect. After we had our concept, we spent quite a bit of time thinking about how we would construct it, what materials to use, how many ribs, how many main spars, what are they made of. We did beam calculations and CAD models. We did lift calculations and used aerofoil designs.
The whole process of doing the design and the research and testing things early on to see how they were going to go. You know, we had little mock-ups and we had hand-whittled mock-ups of the craft that Gary was testing out, and then we'd learn some lessons and go and do some more research and try out the next thing.
Frantic is a word, I guess, that would describe it, but it was a lot of fun. We had late nights here, spending a lot of laughs, a lot of covered in dust, but in blue. But it was good fun. It was very good fun. I think I really enjoyed it.
I think the dance came together really nicely.
I found the dance experience awkward.
Our performance was great, yeah. It was really something to get up there in front of so many people and sort of goof around for a little bit, but then go and do something extreme like throwing yourself off a platform. Probably the biggest challenge of the build was just handling this gigantic wing. Our design turned out to be this really imposing beast of a gannet, and just picking that thing up and putting it together and being able to transport it with the confidence that we weren't going to punch a hole in it was pretty tough. Yeah.
We chose Rani as a pilot because we needed someone really light, and also someone who was switched on enough to try and steer the thing.
I'm afraid of heights. I was absolutely terrified.
Gil and I had previously agreed we were going to go in and fully commit to getting as much speed as we could. Probably the coolest thing about it was that there was a lot of energy out there. You know, people that had put a lot of work into their craft and were really excited to get up and chuck it off the edge of a ramp, sort of thing. So getting out and putting a performance on and running across that ramp, you know, when you're elevated and there's big screens and a huge crowd there, it was a cool experience. Yeah,
yeah, loved it. Definitely going to do it again.